In previous lecture, we discussed about the different treatment methods which are used for industrial effluent. Okay. So in that, we discuss about the different physical treatment methods like screening for removal of floating solid, then sedimentation for remove high percentage of heavy organic solid, then flotation, which is provided to remove the finer particles, and filtration also remove the organic matter and other finer particles. Then chemical treatment. In that chemical treatment, we discuss about the different types of chemical treatment are used to recover the dissolved organic matter from the wastewater. So, what are the different chemical treatment method for effluent? Like chemical oxidation, chemical coagulation, chemical precipitation, reverse osmosis, electrodialysis, adsorption. So these are the various chemical treatment which are used in the treatment of wastewater and effluent. Similarly, various biological treatment methods are also used like a trickling filter, activated research process, oxidation pond, aerated lagoon, oxidation ditch, and oxidation lagoon. Okay. So apart from that, other treatment methods which are also used for industrial wastewater treatment, and that are the equalization and neutralization. Okay, so what is the neutralization and what is equalization? So neutralization means the neutralizing the excessive acidity or alkalinity of the particular wastewater by adding alkali or acid respectively to the wastewater. It means if the industrial wastewater is acidic in nature, we can add alkali to that water and we can neutralize pH. If it is alkaline in nature, then we can acid and we can neutralize the pH. So the neutralization means neutralizing the excessive acidity or alkalinity of a particular wastewater by adding alkali or acid respectively to the wastewater. This may be done either in equalization time if the conditions provided, or either it is in a separate neutralization time. Okay, so equalization time, it is a time same work like sedimentation time. So either we can do the neutralization in equalization time, or either we can use a separate neutralization time. So there are various methods for neutralizing over acidity or alkalinity of wastewater. Okay, so what are that? So first one is passing acidic wastewater through the bed of limestone. Second, mixing of waste so that net effect is a near neutral pH, that is alkaline wastewater alkaline wastewater add into acidic wastewater so that we can net effect the neutral pH. Next, adding the proportions of concentration of solution like a soda ash Na2CO3 and caustic soda NaOH. Next method, mixing of acid waste with the lime slurries. If it is acid waste, we can add lime slurries so that we can net effect is near neutral pH. Uh, then next one is adding compressed CO2 to alkaline waste and adding sulfuric acid to alkaline waste. If the wastewater effluent is alkaline in nature, we can add sulfuric acid. We get the net effect is a near neutral pH. So these are the various methods which are used for the neutralization of wastewater. Okay. So first, adding sulfuric acid to alkaline waste. Next, mixing acidic wastewater with lime slurries. Next, adding compressed CO2 to the alkaline waste. Next, mixing waste, alkaline and acidic waste to get a neutral pH. Next, passing acidic wastewater through the bed of limestone. And the next, solution of soda ash and caustic soda we can add so we can neutralize the pH. So these are the various methods which are used for the neutralization. Okay. So the second treatment method for industrial effluent, that is equalization. Okay. So equalization, it is a process where the effluent is fairly whatever that effluent obtained from this process, which is fairly uniform in its water quality characteristics. Okay. So equalization is a method, or the working of equalization is same like a sedimentation tank or sedimentation basin, where the retaining of waste is carried out and the uniform characteristics of that wastewater is obtained, like a color, pH, turbidity, and BOD. Okay. So the equalization is a method of retaining waste in a mixed basin until the effluent discharge is fairly uniform in its sanitary characteristics. Okay. So what are the different water quality characteristics? Like a color, then pH, then turbidity, then BOD. Okay, so these are the various sanitary characteristics are obtained in fairly uniform after the equalization process. Okay, so air is sometimes injected into this basin in equalization process for what? To provide chemical oxidation of reduced compound, for better mixing, for agitation to keep suspended solid from settling out. Okay. So in the process of equalization, sometimes air is injected through the pump, and what is the purpose of that air injection? Which provide the chemical oxidation of reduced compound, which can help for the better mixing and also agitation to keep suspended solid from the settling out. Okay, so only holding of waste is not sufficient to equalize the waste. So adequate mixing must also take place so that each unit volume of waste discharge will be mixed with other unit volume of waste discharged many hours ago. Okay, so the mixing is brought by various ways. That means the continuously mixing of previous waste and the fresh waste, that should be important to obtain the volume of waste discharge many hours ago. So okay, so what is the sentence? Only holding of waste is not sufficient to equalize the waste. That means only holding of waste is not sufficient. We require continuously mixing of previous waste and the fresh waste. Okay, so the mixing may be brought about in following ways. So how to mix that waste? The first one is the proper distribution. So proper distribution of wastewater. Next, mechanical agitation, then aeration, and the combination of all. So these are all various methods which can be used in the process of the equalization, and through the equalization we can obtain the fairly uniform characteristics effluent at the end of this discharge. Okay, so you can see here. So for better mixing, which air is injected for better mixing, for chemical oxidation, some degree of biochemical oxidation, agitation to prevent suspended solid from settling. Okay, so that are the various advantages of mixing of waste. So this is the side view of equalization basin. Aeration, which is mixing. Okay, so the next process that is called as proportioning. So what is proportioning? Proportioning means the discharge of industrial waste in proportion to the flow of municipal sewage. Okay, so the objective of proportioning is to keep the percentage of industrial waste entering the municipal sewage plant constant. Okay? And this procedure has several purposes. So what are the various purposes of this proportioning? So the first thing is to minimize the fluctuation in sanitary standard in the treated effluent. So what is the first objective, or what is the first purpose of this proportioning? First purpose is to minimize the fluctuation in sanitary standard in the treated effluent, and second one is to protect biological treatment device from receiving shocks load of industrial waste which may be inactive to the bacteria. Okay. So to protect biological treatment device from the shock load of industrial waste that may be inactive to the bacteria, and the first one is to protect municipal sewage treatment using chemicals from being sudden overdose of chemicals contained or the contained in industrial waste. Okay, so that is to minimize the fluctuation in sanitary standard in treated effluent. So this is the proportion. Okay, so these are what the waste system, waste proportion system. This is the removal of suspended solid, which depend upon the velocity of particle, density of particle, number of basins, sludge removal, flow fluctuation, wind velocity. Okay, so this is about the various treatment of industrial wastewater. like a physical, chemical, and biological. So, the next topic we are going to discuss about the different industries. So, what are the characteristics of industries and what are the manufacturing process of industries? Characteristics of wastewater we generate from industries, then manufacturing process of industries, then how to treat or what is the flow sheet of treatment of wastewater which comes out from the industries.